们现在正在全球最大的矿业投资论坛。坐在我身边的这位呢是 Mr. Peter Tolman， 他是来自这个 Klondike Gold Corp. Hi, Mr. Tolman. How are you today?
I'm very well, thank you.
Thank you. So, do you mind tell us a bit about your business?
I'm the president of Klondike Gold Corp, and we're exploring in the Yukon, which is northern Canada, next to Alaska. We're looking for gold deposits in the Klondike District, which is a famous placer mining district known around the world for discovery in 1896.
Yes, so in the Klondike neighborhood, the Tintina gold belt is known as a world-class gold deposit. Can you explain that? What does that mean?
It means that on the planet there are prolific gold belts, areas that are full of gold. There's one in Ontario, there's another in Australia, and the Tintina gold belt, which starts in Russia, goes through Alaska, and all through the Yukon is another. And so there are hundreds of millions of ounces of gold in the Tintina belt, unmined to date because it's mostly in the north. And we're in the middle of that area, and we've found significant amounts of gold.
Thank you. So what have you discovered so far, and what is the potential of that?
So the Klondike District where we are, it's situated directly outside of Dawson, which is one of the second largest city in the Yukon. It's known again for 20 million ounces of gold mined from gravels over the last 120 years, but that was thought to all been eroded away and there's no source left. Over the last 5 years, we've proven that indeed there is an enormous amount of gold still remaining in the bedrock, and the potential there is for multi-million ounce gold deposits.
That is a good news. What kind of exploration program are you going to do in 2020?
So the last 5 years, we've done an enormous amount of science work to prove that the gold was indeed in the bedrock and to understand why it was there and where it might be found. And we've completed that. And now we have some fantastic targets. We've already outlined gold resources, but this year we're going to start overtly delineating a target that will have 2 million ounces of gold in it, we hope.
Okay, so and can you tell us who are some of your shareholders, major players?
The two largest individual shareholders are well known to the mining industry. They're mining billionaires. Frank Justra is one, Eric Sprott is another. Combined, they own over a quarter, so 25% of our company.
Last one question. So why should new investors consider investing in Klondike Gold Group?
Well, again, a piece of history for the last 5 years. If we're now March the 1st, every year for the last 5 years, our stock price has doubled, tripled, or quadrupled into September, so over that 6 months. Last fall, we drilled a world-class gold drill hole, 1,000 grams gold over a meter. It was one of the highest grade gold holes in the world, and we're going to follow that up this year. And basically, we have an exciting year planned of drilling on targets that we think will yield lots for our shareholders.
That's really exciting. That's all my questions today. Thank you very much, Mr. Peter Tolman.
Thank you very much.